Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, welcome to our video. So here we would like to explain about paper analysis from our group. But first of all, I would like to introduce our lecturer. His name is Igusti Ngurah Agung Wijaya Mardika, SPD MPD, the lecturer of Advanced Speaking. Next, our group member. We are from group 2. The first member is Inyoman Okagiri Sadawidana, second Kadek Berendika, third Putu Ninda Anggriani, and last Igusti Ayu Agung Petra Almajaya. The title of the paper is Camera Roll Action, Non-Specialist Undergraduate English Learners Perceptions of Using Video Production in Learning English. The first material will be presenting by Okagiri. So time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time. I am Inyoman Okagiri Sadawidana. Introduction. The background of the study is the problems that faced by English teacher teaching non-specialist second language learners. The author conducted the study to solve the problems. One of that is the lack of motivation when learning English. The author made this research to get a solution to increase student motivation. Next. As you can see on the slide, here are the three basic questions that we got. Number one, what is learners' perception of the impact of video production on their English learning? What is learning perception of the impact of video production on their motivation to learn English? 3.1 is learns perception of the implementation of video production in sleep. Okay, the presentation will be continued by my friend Barry.
Thank you for the time. I'm Kadek Berendika, will continue the presentation. So here, I will explain about methodology. This research is using both quantitative and qualitative research type. Quantitative research is using a questionnaire, and qualitative research is using semi-structured interview. The research conducted in a state university in Bali province that consists of 35 non-specialist English students from the Hinduism Education Department, that there are 25 female students and 10 male students. In this research is about making a video production learning. So the procedures is three types. The first is the introduction phase. In this phase, the teacher introduced the video production. The teacher and student discuss about the video production process, material, skill, and the product expected from the students. The students also instructed to form a groups and start their topic selection. Second, the preparation phase. In this phase, the teacher explained about the learning process, about the skill required to produce their video, such as language functions, grammatical rules, specific terms, and other linguistic aspects related to the video. So the student can read an article and watch videos and clips, and also do a discussion related to their topics. And after that, the students need to write a script for their video. The final phase is about video shooting and screening. In this phase, the students went to the field to shoot their video and then edit the video based on the requirements in the introduction piece. After that, when the video were finalized, the class then screened the videos together, and each video screening was followed by questions and answer session where the students and teacher can discuss about the video. After that, the data was analyzed by using a tabular table in its dimension and range. The author used this descriptive statistic table to describe the result of the research. The next material will be presented by Petra. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time given to me. I'm Petra Almajaya, will continue the presentation. As you can see on the slide, is about result and discussion. Number one, the most important finding is the students have a positive perception about the impact of video production on their future English learning, on their English skills, like they believe that video production can improve their reading skill, writing skill, speaking skill, listening skill, and also grammar comprehension. The last, it will improve their motivation to learn English. As we know, motivation is a vital supporting factor in language learning, and with motivation can make students feel enjoyable and fun when learning English. Number two, this research doesn't have any hypothesis. However, this article has research question that has been previously stated in the introduction by my friends. Number three, the answer from the research is number one, the positive impact to students' learning. It means that the research suggests that the impact of video production can make the student have a positive perception on their English skills and also can improve their English skills like reading, speaking, listening, writing, and grammar comprehension. Number two, video production has a beneficial in improving students' motivation. The researchers also saw that video production improves students' motivation to learn English in the future by giving a fun and enjoyable learning experience, a challenging process, and reward result, and also building their confidence in their English ability. Number three, students consider that video production to be a technically viable and financially affordable learning experience. From the result of the interview, it was found that students consider video production to be a technically viable and financially affordable learning experience. Next. The authors explain the result by indicating that the students consider video production has a beneficial in their learning process. It means that, as we know from the questionnaire and interview result, found that the students consider video production very beneficial for their English learning process. And also, they thought that the most effective skill was reading comprehension. This result is very interesting, since it is not in line with previous studies on video production. In addition, the students were exposed to extensive reading, which can improve their vocabulary, their reading comprehension, writing skill, and also grammar competencies. Okay, the next presentation will be continued by my friend Ninda. The time is yours. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the time. I am Putu Ninda Angriani. We will continue the presentation. The implication is video production improving student confidence has a various form of activities, not technical, difficult, and motivate the students. In terms of impact of video production on student motivation to learn English, the present study participant expressed their confidence in the English conference after successfully producing video in English. And the next, the important limitation is the teacher need to pay attention in technical limitation. Another point that teacher need to pay attention to is the technical limitation in producing the video. Science students may have different technical competence and different access to equipment. Teacher need to set some ground rule to assure that each student will have the same entry positions. And next, the key recommendation in this research. Number one, it would be wise to implement video production in a group setting. It means that the group setting will have two benefits. First, it will reduce individual students' workload and make students work comparatively with their teammates. Second, it will increase student competence. It construct new understanding by challenging and defending each other idea. And number two, the implementation require teacher resilience. Video production implementation require teacher resilience. It means that the teacher must always pay close attention to learners' progress and ensure that they stay focused on learning English talk video production in terms of simply production beautiful videos. That's all about my presentation. The next presentation will be continued by my friend Barry. Time is yours. Thank you.
Thank you for the time. I'm Kadek Belanika. So here I will continue the presentation about the conclusion. From the research of the paper, we can conclude that the study findings, there are 3 study findings. The first one is learners have a positive perception of video production's impact on their English skills. Most of them believe that video productions improves their reading, speaking, writing, listening, and grammar comprehension. Second, video production is improving student motivation. We know from the making of a video, the students work collaboratively with their group mates and competitively against other groups. Last is video production is a technically viable and financially affordable learning process. Most of the learners are already familiar with video recording activities, and the technique requires a little budget and simple equipment. The author suggests conducting the study in a lower education to get more sources and variable results. That's all from our presentation. We do apologize if there are any grammar and any mistake in grammar and pronunciation. We hope that our presentation today have a positive impact to you. We will close with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om.